Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Let's understand the difference between some tricky spellings. And why do we have to understand the difference between the two is because we as learners of English first language and English 1123 we are supposed to follow British spellings. There are many students who lose marks during school exams because of this mistake. So if you will listen to this video attentively and note down the difference between American and British spellings, I hope you will be able to achieve the target of accuracy of spellings, because this is the first target that you have to achieve when you are trying to get rid of mistakes in your composition paper. So let's get started and see what are the rules regarding British and American spellings. As far as the rule of VOR or OUR is concerned, British English often uses OUR while American English uses OR. Now what does it mean? Let's understand it with the help of examples. For example, color. Color in the heading of American will be written COLOR, whereas in British we write it like COLOUR. Now you as learners of English 0500 IGCSE or O level English 1123, I am repeatedly informing you that you people have to learn and use British spellings. And the second example which I can share in this category is HONOR, honor, whereas under British heading we will spell it HONOUR. As far as the behavior word spelling is concerned, it should be written with OUR because you are learners of 1123 and 0500, whereas American spellings will be BEHAVIOR. So you just have to memorize this column and avoid these spellings because they will be considered spelling mistake. Now let's look at the second example of the rule with ER or RE. British English often uses RE at the end of these words, whereas American English uses ER. Let's look at the examples of these words with having ER or RE at the end. In American English, the word theater will be pronounced and spelled with ER at the end, because the rules of American English are that they spell the word and they pronounce the word the way it is pronounced, the way it appears to be, whereas in British English, theater spelling should have RE at the end. Center with ER in American English and center with RE in British English. Meter with ER in American English and meter with METRE in British English. Glitter with ER in American English, and in British you have to memorize that. Remember to place RE at the end of these words because we will be following British spellings. The third category of such examples will be with those words which have IZE or ISE at the end. Now, what you have to remember is that in British English, you will be writing ISE, whereas in American English, these words end with IZE. Let's look at the examples, my dear students. For example, organize will be written with ZE in American English, whereas we as followers of 1123 and 0500 students, they will be spelling organize with SE. The second example will be synthesize with ZE. In British, it will be SISE. Materialize with ZE, materialize with SE. Materialise. You will write material and then you will add ISE. The next example will be recognize with ZE, and in British we will be writing recognize with SE. Apologize with ZE, in British we will be writing SE. Realize with ZE, in British we will be spelling it REALISE. My dear students, don't be confused. You just have to memorize one group of words, one column of words under the heading of British, and the rule should be there in front of you, which I have written at the top of the slide. The next rule is those words which have double L or single L. Now here the rules are slightly different in the case of just one word. Otherwise, basic rule is in American English, most of the words have single L, whereas in British they have double L. Just as the example of traveling is in front of you, it has single L ing, and in British it has double L ing. Labeling with single L ing, and in British we will be spelling it with double L. Cancelling with single L in American English, cancelling with double L in British English. Modeling with single L in American English, modeling with double L in British English. As far as the word fulfill is concerned, this word has different rules because in American English it has double L, whereas in British English it has single L. Now these are the words and the lists. So my dear students, these two words and their examples I also felt like sharing with you because this is a word which is commonly used in our daily routines. When we are spelling the word program, it should have single M in American English and it should have double M in British English. As far as the word gray is concerned, it is spelled with AY in American English and it is spelled with EY in British English. So this was the important difference which I wanted my viewers and audience to keep in mind while spelling these words. There are some hard and fast rules in this category. So this was all with regard to the topic of British and American spellings. I hope you will understand the difference and remember to use British spellings when you are appearing for 1123 or IGCSE 0500 exams. My best wishes are for you. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.